In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates in Pipedrive fast. We'll start right inside Pipedrive. From the main dashboard, look over to the left panel and open your sales inbox. This is where all your email activity lives, and it's the quickest path to building a template you can reuse again and again. Once you're in the inbox, open a new Compose window by selecting New Email. You'll see the standard email fields for recipients, subject, and body. Don't worry about filling those out yet. We're going to turn this into a reusable template in just a moment. In the Compose window, choose the option labeled Choose Template. A panel will appear showing any templates you've already created. Since we're building a new one, select Manage Templates. This takes you to the area where all your templates are organized and where you can add a fresh one. Click Add New Template to begin. First, give your template a clear, descriptive name. Think about a naming convention that will make sense later, like Intro, Discovery Call Follow-up, or Proposal, Initial Send. Good names make it much easier for you and your teammates to find the right message quickly. Next, set the visibility. Decide whether this template should be private to you, shared with your team, or available to the whole company. If it's a message that everyone can benefit from, consider a broader setting. If it's specific to your workflow or includes personal phrasing, keep it private. Now add a strong subject line. Keep it concise, relevant, and easy to scan. Including context, like the meeting name or next step, helps improve open rates. If you use personalization tokens in your process, make sure the subject still reads naturally with those values filled in. In the body, write the message you want to reuse. Keep paragraphs short, clarify the purpose up front, and include a clear call to action, like booking a time, replying with details, or reviewing a document. Consider using placeholders for names or company details if you already use them in Pipedrive, and leave space for a clean signature. Aim for a tone that matches your brand and is easy to adapt with a quick tweak before sending. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new template is now stored and ready to go. The next time you compose an email, simply open New Email, choose Choose Template, and pick the one you just created. That's it. Fast, consistent emails without rewriting the same message each time. Thanks for watching, and happy templating in Pipedrive.